friends, welcome back to our channel Roam by Ranis. In today's short tech review series, a series where we cover a lot of tech products and gadgets, and these are not sponsored videos. They're purchased out of our own money from our own pocket. These views are based on our usage and experiences. So let's get right to it. In today's video, we'll be covering a smart device. Is the Dr. Trust Smart 509 Body Fat and Composition Scale. Well, you might be wondering that is a weighing scale actually a tech product? Well, this one is, and you'd want to stay tuned till the end of the video to know its benefits. Actually, it can help you in your fitness journey as well. So let's get right to it. Let's do a quick unboxing video and let's talk about the specifications as well. So let's quickly unbox this Dr. Trust Smart 509 Body Fat and Composition Scale. The good thing about this smart scale is that it has 2-digit precision, and the capacity is quite high. It's 180 kilograms, and it gives you body weight, body fat, body hydration, body muscle, BMI, moisture, bone mass, BAFR, and more, and lots more. So God knows what else is there. So let's quickly unbox this. Oh, lovely. So as you can see, it's quite sturdy foam padding. So nice. I really like this. Okay, so here's actually the weighing scale. So I think the weight of this is not in 2 kilograms, and it's quite light, but it looks very sturdy. So here's some paperwork. We'll come back to that later. What it does is say get 6 months warranty, free for Amazon customers, how to leave a product review. Okay, we'll come to that later. Built-in feel, really sturdy, made out of toughened glass, and as you see, it has these 4 points, and also a quick start, getting started. So charge your scale. Okay, good thing is comes with these rubberized stands as well, so it can be absolutely flat. Nureka Inc. USA. So yeah, this is a USA product. Dr. Trust getting started. Charge your scale before use. So I think this is what I'm going to do first, is actually charge it. Here there is a charging port, micro USB cable. The cable is included in it, so you need a power adapter, and you can charge it even if you have a power bank. You can do it. So guys, let me quickly set this up. I'll come back to you. So they have actually a caution marking as well, slippery when wet. So please do not use not only this but any weighing scale, glass weighing scale, after you come out from your shower. So please ensure your feet are dry. So let me set this up and I'll come back to you quickly. After the unboxing, I've actually gone ahead, followed the quick start guide, getting started instructions, which is mentioned on the weighing scale, and trust me, it was a quick process. So this is the weighing scale, and I'll quickly now take you through some of its key features, why you should actually get this product. So first, I think, which is the most important thing for any tech gadget, is easy setup. Without an easy setup process, I think it just becomes too cumbersome for anyone to download a few apps, connect things, and also this is a breeze. So I just went into the Play Store, downloaded the app, and set up the account in less than 2 minutes actually. So definitely easy setup process. The next key feature of the smart weighing scale is that it captures 18 essential body compositions, and including obviously your weight, but it calculates your BMI, BFR, muscle mass, moisture, bone mass, BMR. It also calculates your fat content, how much visceral fat do you have or subcutaneous fat do you have, what's your body fat type, what's your body age, and muscle weight, and much more. The list is practically endless. The next actually key feature is because of the 4 electrodes which is there, it gives you almost 2-digit precision, and these sensors are really key to any scale, right? But all the more important for this one because it gives you the various other health markers in your body. So definitely that's the importance of these 4 electrodes. It also can take up to a maximum of 180 kilograms. So that's quite a lot for a barely 1.5 kilogram. In fact, the box says that it's 1.39 kilograms, if I'm not mistaken. Yeah, 1.39 kilograms. So it's not even 1.5 kilograms. And for such a lightweight and convenient product, max capacity of 180 kilograms, that's really great. This is also rechargeable. Anyone who's actually watched my previous video where I talk about my fitness journey, the time when I weighed myself on that scale, an older scale of mine which I had, the batteries ran out. So when I actually shot this video, I couldn't actually take a video or a picture of the weighing scale to prove myself that that's what I weigh. So it was time to get upgraded, so might as well got something really handy. It's ultra sleek and quite portable. It's made out of this tempered glass, so it's quite sturdy. I have stood on it and I feel quite secure that it won't break or I won't trip over it. So definitely a key feature for me. It also measures room temperature. When you stand on it, it starts up. So the best part is it is auto start and off. So you need to stand on it and it automatically starts up, so you save a lot of battery as well. And because it being chargeable, you just charge it via normal micro USB cable, so you don't need to go out and get batteries. Another key important feature is that because it connects through a Bluetooth technology with your phone and it's always synced with the app, it is accessible. So your reports and all these points are quite accessible to you and from anywhere. So they have this really great function where you can share a PDF and you can share that with your doctor on WhatsApp, or maybe your fitness trainer to actually really track your progress. Another benefit of having this scale at home is that it's a scale for your whole family. You can actually set up to 8 individual profiles on the app, and when you stand on this and when you select the profile, all your data gets into your particular profile, so up to 8 people. So it's actually perfect for a big family or maybe a group to track your fitness. So guys, coming to the end of this video, I definitely recommend you getting this Dr. Trust Smart 509 body fat and composition scale. It's around 1600 rupees on Amazon. I'll drop in the links for you, so if you'd want to go get it, click on that link. This can really be a good fitness tracker for everyone actually, and I would highly recommend this.
So guys, if you like today's video, please do hit that like button. If you're new here to our channel, please subscribe. We come out with some great content, and don't forget to press the bell icon to get notified every time we post a new video. Until then, take care of yourselves, and be safe, and take care. Ciao. See you.